Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab hold of that vine and swing out of my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to make yourself some Korean pork. So, let's go ahead and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. Today, we're going to be taking you into my kitchen and we're going to be cooking up a Korean pork that is keto friendly, and we're going to be doing it all in our pressure cooker. But first, before we can get started, we have to make the marinade. I have 1 pound of chopped up into bite-sized pieces of a Boston pork roast. So I'm going to go ahead and set that off to the side. I have the insert of my pressure cooker here, and now we're going to sit there and add 1 tablespoon of the dried minced onion. Let's go ahead and add that, and then we're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of the dried minced garlic. So let's go ahead and add some of that as well. And then we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. So let's add the tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 2 tablespoons of honey. 2 tablespoons of the gochujang sauce. And 1/4 cup water. Okay, I'm going to sit there and give this a few jiggers around to mix everything all up on the inside as such. And now I want you to go ahead and add our cubed up Boston roast. And now we're going to sit there and give them a few jiggers as well, because we want everything to be all coated. I'm going to grab a spatula and we're just going to finish giving this a few jiggers. Now you can marinate this in the refrigerator for an hour, but going up to 8 hours or overnight is even better. And we'll see you after this has been all done marinating. We forgot 1 ingredient. We forgot to add our teaspoon of the ground ginger. So let's go ahead and add that before we even forget it. Now, also, we're going to have to sit there and give this a real good mix, seeing that we just put the ginger all in. So I'm going to mix this all up, and I'm going to put this in the refrigerator so the marinade can do its little magic. Now, I'm just going to give this another little zhuzh, and then we're going to sit there and place it inside of our pressure cooker. Okay, now I'm going to place this inside of the pressure cooker. I'm going to put the lid on. I'm gonna close it. We're gonna make sure that we close the vent. We're gonna come down here and put it on high pressure for 20 minutes. And we're gonna allow it to do a natural release. Alright, our Korean pork has sounded off. It is coming down naturally, and when it's done coming down naturally, I'm going to sit there and open it up, and then we're going to sit there and take it over to the stove to a very hot cast iron pan, and we're going to sit there and cook the juices down until they get really sticky right on the Korean pork. I'm gonna go ahead, open this up, and open it away from me. And now I'm gonna sit there and take this and put this all in my pan that I have going on the stove that I told you that we want to have it really hot. Here we have it in our pan, and now we just want to sit there and have the sauce all thicken up for us, and you kind of want it all sticking to the meat. Here it is, thickening up real nicely. I just want to have it a little bit thicker of the sauce. Not much. Come on, I think the camera's fogging up on me. Okay, I plated it up. I have it over some rice. As you can see over on this side, there's still some rice showing. But now, we're just going to sit there and take some sesame seeds, and we're going to sit there and sprinkle some over the top. And if I had some green onion, I would go ahead and put some of that also on there. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead, subscribe, and tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And thank you for taking the time for watching my video. And y'all come back now. You hear?